point must be remember. The major class of immunoglobulin present in human serum is A. IgM is the largest size immunoglobulin. IgE is associated with allergic reaction. Antibodies are produced by B lymphocytes. T lymphocytes is associated with cell-mediated immunity. Contact dermatitis occurs due to delayed high oversensitivity. The cardinal sign of inflammation: redness, heat, pain, swelling and loss of function. Drugs commonly used in antiretroviral therapy are zidovudine, azidothymidine, nevirapine and stabudine. Osteoporosis is the most prevalent bone disease in the world. Fracture of the distal radius is called Coles' fracture. Osteoporosis is caused by vitamin D deficiency. Cervical spine contains 7 similar vertebrae. Thoracic spine contains of 12 similar vertebrae. Lumbar spine contains of 5 similar vertebrae. Smallest bone is stapes bone id middle ear. Largest bone is femur. Total number of ribs 12 pairs. Acromion, it is a bony process on the scapula. Tripod fracture is seen in zygomatic bone. Carpopedal spasm indicates hypocalcemia. The largest synovial joint in the human body is knee joints. Buck-S skin traction is used to treat knee injuries. Gallo-S Bryant traction is used in the fracture of shaft of femur. Scoliosis is lateral curvature of the spine. Kyphosis is outward curvature of the spine. It is also known as humpback. Lordosis is inward curvature of the lumbar spine. Muscles of thigh present in anterior aspect rectus femoris. Total number of facial bone 14. The elbow is blank underscore to the wrist proximal. The basic structural and functional unit of the skeletal muscles is the sarcomere. Osteoclast are known as bone destroying cell. Osteoblast are known as bone formatting cell. Covering of the bone is periosteum. Major constituent of the bone is calcium phosphate. Lifespan of the platelets is 8 to 12 days. Lifespan of RBC is 90 to 120 days. Ossification start with clavicle bone. Ossification of posterior fontanelle are 3 months. Ossification of anterior fontanelles are 18 months. Teeth are located in maxilla and mandible bone. Which is the largest vertebrae is lumbar. Which is the smallest vertebrae cervical. First bone of the vertebral column is atlas. True ribs is 7 pairs. Number of floating ribs is 2 pairs. Ear ossification are made of elastic cartilage. Bone without medullary cavity is clavicle. Collarbone is clavicle. Largest joint is human body is knee joint. Hinge joints is knee and elbow joint. Surgical fusion of joint is known as arthrodesis. The presence of synovial fluid in the joint reduces friction of the joint. Movement of the body part away from the midline is abduction. Movement of body part towards the midline is adduction. Kneecap is patella. Patella complete ossify the age of 14 years. Strongest muscles of human body based on its weight is masseter. Longest muscles as the human body is sartorius. Largest cavity in human body is abdominal cavity. Causes of osteomalacia is calcium deficiency and Vit D deficiency. Pott's disease is TB spine.
Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.